Hello students, how are you all? See, our division lesson completed. Now today we will see the fraction. But see here students, already we learned this repeated subtraction, this number line. Okay, or this we solve. Then see here regrouping. You just solve this is your homework. You just solve this and see this number line, okay, and this repeated subtraction. This is your homework. Now today we will see the fraction. Okay, see lesson number 8, fraction. FRACTIONS, fractions. Now see here in this lesson we will see the fraction means what. First, fraction may be equal or unequal, okay, of a whole. Now see here students, first we will see the definition of fraction. Now see, in this lesson some new mathematical words are here. See, halves. See, L is silent here. So halves means what? See, halves means to divide something into two equal parts. This is called halves. You just write down the meaning of halves. Then the fraction. Fraction means what? The fraction is a part of a whole or collection. A part removed from the whole is called fraction. Okay, this the meaning and the definition you just write down in your maths notebook. Okay, today we will see 1/2 means half. See half, how to write half. See, it is written as 1/2 means 1/2 or half. Okay, you just write down in your maths notebook this. And now we will move our actual topic. See here, equal and unequal parts of a whole. Now see, fraction is a part of whole. Whole means, see, this is the whole apple. Okay, whole apple. A part removed from the whole apple is called fraction. See, we remove one part from the whole. See, this is the whole apple. Okay, and we remove one part from this whole apple is called fraction. Understood student? See, the third, these are, see, but here we remove only one part, so it is the unequal parts of an apple. Unequal part. Okay, this part is not equal. And see the next, these are the equal parts of an apple. Equal means we cut this apple in middle. See, this is the half apple, this is the half apple. See, when see, this is called halves. Okay, this is called halves. See, and two halves make one whole. These two halves make one. Okay, when we join these two halves, then make a whole. Okay, understood? Now see here, this is the equal fraction. Equal. See, same parts are here. Okay, and when we join these two halves, make a whole apple. Understood? So this is the equal fraction. Now see, today we will see 1/2. Okay, what? 1/2. Now see, here, fraction is one of the equal parts of whole. Equal parts. See, equal parts of whole, and this is the half. We call as half, otherwise 1/2. See, half part is here, half part is here. So we call as half apple is here, half apple is here. Okay, otherwise 1/2. Now See, in this picture, an apple is divided into two equal parts. This apple is divided into two equal parts. Means we cut this apple into two equal parts. See, the parts are same, half here and half here. Okay, and each part is half or one half. Okay, now see, and these two halves make a whole apple. You just keep in your mind this. Now see, the next example we will see. See, I have one paper. Okay, sheet of paper. Now fold it in half. Now you just fold in half. Okay, and see, then you just press it. You just fold it into half and open the paper and look at the folds. See, each part is half or one half. See, half here, equal parts are there now. Understood? This is called half. And see, now it is written as like that. Okay, understood, students? Now see, the fraction are the numbers that represent a part of the whole. Okay, when the objects or a group of objects is divided into equal parts, each individual part is a fraction. See, I have some chocolates. Now see here, how many chocolates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. 8 chocolates are here. These 8 chocolates we will divide into two groups. See here, these 4 here and these 4 here, means we divided into half. Half chocolates are here. Total how many chocolates are here? 8. And we divide it into two groups. See, this is 4 chocolates are here, 4 chocolates are here. Mean same quantity 4. Okay, so we divided into half. Half chocolates are here. Total 8 chocolates are here. And half 4. Make a whole 8. Okay, now see, so 4 chocolates are here, 4 chocolates are here. We divided into half. Understood? Now see, we will solve the examples. Now students, first you just see, this is the whole. Okay, this is the whole. Now see, you just imagine, visualize. This is the pizza. I know this is not a pizza, but you just imagine this is the pizza. And see, it's your birthday. Your mom has ordered pizza now for you and your friends. When the pizza arrives, you open the box and find that it is cut into slices. See, like that slices now. See, the pizza. See, when you open this box and find that it is cut into slices. Yes, now? See, same pieces are there now. Understood? Now see, when we remove one part, of the from this whole, this is called the fraction. Okay, this is the equal fraction. No, this is not a equal fraction. This is unequal fraction. Okay, now see, we remove these two parts. See. Now students, see, this is the equal fraction. See, this is the equal fraction. Yes, this is the equal fraction. See, same, half here, half here. Okay, two halves. Now when we see here, 1 minute, students. I will show you. See, 2 halves. See, when we see, now tell me, this is the equal fraction. Yes, equal. See, half part is here, half part is here, and see, these 2 halves make a 1 whole. See how? Again we join this part, then see, make a whole. Yes, now? See, make a whole. Okay, and see, now see, this is the half. Half part is here, half part is here, and same parts. Equal parts are there. Half, half. And when we join these parts, then again make a whole. Okay, this is the half. Now see, we will see the examples. See here, turn the page 106. Color half of each shape. One is done for you. Already one example is solved here. Now see here, triangle is there. Okay, and you just color only the half part. See, this is the shaded part and this is the unshaded part. Okay, see, shaded or unshaded part. Now same as the circle is there. Already they divided into half. So you just color only the half part. So here, this is the shaded half part and this is the unshaded half part. Then third example, see, 4 triangles are there. Just now I show you now this chocolate. See, here 4 triangles are here and you just divide into half. So 2 here, 2 here. Okay, then see, rectangle is there. See, you just color only the one part. See this. Okay, and see, same as this. Okay, you just color this. Now take out your worksheet bunch. Okay, we will solve this worksheet bunch. You have this worksheet bunch now. See, this worksheet bunch you just take out. See, our new lesson fraction is there. See, halves. Halves are the 2 equal parts of a whole. Okay, now see, this is the square. See, and see, we fold it into middle. Then see, same parts are here, half here and half here. Okay, see, color the shapes. First one, color the shapes that have been cut into half. See, you just see here, this rectangle is cut into half. No, then don't color it. Then see, the circle is divided into half. Yes, see, half here, half here. Then you just color only the half part. Okay, then see, this is divided into half. No, then don't color it. See, the triangle is divided into half. Yes, so you just color the half portion. Okay, now next example, see, cut these shapes into half. You just cut this shape. Now see, the circle is there. You just cut this shape. Draw the dotted line. Okay, see, same part is here, same part is here. We cut into half. Okay, then see, same parts are here. When we join these 2 parts, then again make a whole. See, square. We divided square into 2 parts. Half here, half here. Okay, see, same parts are here. You just cut this shape. Okay, means draw your dotted line. Then third one, color one half of each shape. One half, otherwise you just write like that, 1/2. Okay, then see, color the half. Okay, then you just color the half part. Use pencil only and then you just color this. Now see, the square, same parts are there. See, rectangle, you just color the half part. Okay, now see, and then last only half part is shaded here and half part unshaded. Okay, understood? Now turn the page. See, this is your homework coloring half. Color in the fraction of each shape written below it. See, circle is there, so they see coloring only half part. Okay, already they divided into half, so you just only color this half part, half portion. Okay, now see the next. Then see, heart shape is here. Okay, like that only you just solve this worksheet. Today we learn half, the fraction half. Okay, now see, the fraction means what? The fraction means a part removed from the whole is called fraction. Okay, see, the part removed from the whole. Okay, this is called the fraction. And today we learn half. Okay, understood, students? Bye.